Hello friends, welcome to Nigra Techies. This is our ASP.NET Core tutorial. Part of this video, I am going to explain environmental setup and installation. First, we can see the system requirement. So the operating system, we can use Windows or else Linux and also Mac you can use. The second important tool is the source code editor. So you can go with an Visual Studio Code. It's highly recommended because the templates are available defaultly. So after that, you can use this VS Code, the Visual Studio Code, then atom brackets, even Notepad also we can use. And the next step is we have to install this .NET Core SDK in our machine. So these are the required tools and packages for developing this .NET Core application. First, I am going to explain how to install this Visual Studio Code. Just type Visual Studio 2022. So basically this .NET Core supporting for Visual Studio 2019 itself, but the version is 3.1. So if you want to use the higher version 6.0, you should have the 2022. Just to go to this, the first link. So anyway, I'm going to share this URL in our description, the visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. So once you come here, you can see the latest version of Visual Studio 2022, and the variety is like a community professional enterprise. So if you are a individual developer, you can go with a community. It's completely free. Otherwise, if you have an official license, like you are working for any of the organization, so you have the Microsoft license for Visual Studio, so then you can go with an professional or enterprises. So I recommend to use this one, and let me download it. So it will download the setup, and I want to convey some more information like now the Visual Studio is available for the Mac also, I mean the 2020 version, and you can download from here if you are using this Mac operating system. And as I mentioned, our second editor, Visual Studio Code. So that also powered by Microsoft only. The same link you can see under download. The Visual Studio Code itself. Once you selected, we have the options whether it's a Windows Cross 64 or a Linux or Mac. So if you click this more, you will get the complete details about this Visual Studio Code. This one also I will share in this description. You can use it. So Windows the OS like 8, 10, 11, and it may be a 64-bit or a 32-bit based on your system requirement. You can download and you can use it. Okay, once it's downloaded, go to just to click this setup. Okay, it will open this Visual Studio installer. Then click this continue. Okay, see, it will show what are the Visual Studio versions are installed in your machine. It will show. So the 2022 already I am installed in my machine. So you can see the modified details. If additional templates are required, I can update from here. So for this Visual Studio Professional 2017, I have the update version, so I can update it. Other than that, this 2022, so I am already have the updated version. So let me click this launch. I am going to open this. For your case, you haven't the install options. Once you clicked, it will show what are the templates available. You have to choose all the required templates and go ahead and continue. It will take around 10 GB of your memory, and this package also will cross almost 2.5 GB. So it will download and automatically get installed in your machine. So once the installation gets completed, you just to open this Visual Studio. Okay, see. So this is the first front page. If you already opened any application in the Visual Studio, that history will show in this place. Okay, these are all the solutions already I opened. That's what it's showing here. And this right side, you can first see the clone your repository. If you are working with any repository, like maybe it's just or a Git, you have to clone using this link. The second one is open a project or solution. If you know the exact path, you can just browse and how to open from the solution and open a folder. It is just navigating to the folder. The final one is very important one. It's for creating the new projects. And if you click this, the last option without code, it will just open the Visual Studio. So this is all about the Visual Studio. The same way you have to install this Visual Studio code also. You have to just download the package and you have to install it. And the final is we need to install this .NET Core SDK. For that we have this link. Okay, this is the link for downloading the SDK. So here also you can choose the whether it's a Windows or Linux or a Mac OS, and the final one is Docker. Okay, and if you are in the Windows, so we have the two options. One is for download .NET SDK cross 64 and another one is the download .NET runtime. See, if you are installing this runtime, you can run any of the .NET Core applications. For the development, definitely this SDK is required. So you just go ahead and proceed with this SDK. So this will automatically get installed this runtime package also. So it's initiated this download process. It's almost 197 MB. Okay, great. Once it's downloaded, you just go to the path and right click and install it. So it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes. Okay, see the Windows is opened and you can see. So I am having the three options. One is for repair and uninstall and close because already it's installed in my machine. That's what it's asking like this. Otherwise, you have the option is called install and click and complete the installation procedures. So once you've done this installation, if you want to verify the .NET is correctly installed or not, you just go to the command prompt and type this command .NET version. See now it's showing the version 6.0.3. So that's what the latest version of .NET 6.0 available in your machine. If it's not, it will show some error. So this is all about it. So now hope we have completed our installation. So our system is completely ready for the creating the application. So in my next video, I'm going to explain how to create my first .NET application. I mean .NET Core application using this Visual Studio and also Visual Studio Code. So we can see everything within detail in my next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. I am request you to subscribe my channel and please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.